Welcome to my channel Max with Kalai. Grade 1, Chapter 1, Exercise 1.2, question number 5. Show that the signal function f from R to R, real number to real number, given by f of x is equal to 1 if x is greater than 0. So for all the positive values of x, f of x value 1 அப்படின்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. When you have x is equal to 0, f of x is 0 given. For x less than 0, so negative values எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா the value for x is f of x is minus 1 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Now actually according to the defined function, the function is defined from real number to real number அப்படின்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. This is our domain and this is our codomain. Both domain and codomain, it is our real number. Okay, now real number now we all know all the elements it can come under this other than your unreal values. Okay, so இப்போ what is the value given for x greater than 0, f of x should be equal to 1 சொல்லிருக்காங்க. X greater than 0, let me take x is equal to 3, 4 எடுக்கிறேன். But whatever the value I am taking, it should be mapped to only the element 1. Whatever we have positive values we are considering, that has to be mapped to the element 1 only it is given. For x equal to 0, it should be mapped to the element 0. And for negative values, suppose if I take minus 5, minus 6, for example, இந்த ரெண்டு எடுத்துக்கிறேன் அப்படின்னா, it should be mapped to the value minus 1 only. So this is what it is defined in the signum function. Okay, so இப்போ by seeing the diagram itself, so many other elements also we have in this. Okay, by seeing the diagram itself, you can say that the given function is not one to one, because whatever the positive values we are going to consider, for all the things the mapping is going to be, the image is going to be the element 1 only. For all the negative values, the image is going to be minus 1 only. So it means that the given function is many to one, it is not one to one. And whether it is onto function or you have to check it out. Onto it is not. Actually, all the elements are there, but when you consider the range of the function, if you consider, it is as per the definition, it is only 1, 0, minus 1. These are the three elements you have in our range. But if you consider your codomain, it is equal to the entire real number. இல்லையா? அப்ப codomain ங்கிறது வந்து real number full எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கோம். ஆனா range ங்கிறது இந்த மூணு elements தான் வருது அப்படினா, this is not equal to codomain, of course. அப்ப what can you say? The given function is not onto. Okay va? So இதான் நம்மளோட problem. Now coming to the solution, by the given definition of one to one and onto, how can we prove this அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, let x1 is equal to 3 and x2 is equal to 4 belongs to the real number R, that is belongs to the domain. Okay va? x1 x2 அப்படிங்கற ரெண்டு நம்பர் இந்த டொமைன்ல இருக்கு அப்படினு எடுத்துக்கிறோம். x1 ங்கிறது 3 எடுத்துக்கேன், x2 ங்கிறது 4 எடுத்துக்கேன். By seeing this, we can say that x1 is not equal to x2. அது நமக்கு தெரியும். But if you consider your f of x1, it is f of 3. Value of f of 3, for f3, what is the mapping we have? It is 1. And similarly, f of x2, if I consider, it is equal to f of 4. F of 4 value 1 it is equal to 1. That means we are getting f of x1 equal to f of x2. But our initial assumption is x1 is not equal to x2. And f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Inge not equal to inge equal to automatically we can say that the given function is not one to one or injective. So in the function one to one கிடையாது அப்படினு சொல்லியாச்சு. And whether it is on to அப்படினு கேட்டாச்சுனா, for that what you have to do? Range is equal to, according to the defined problem, range ங்கிறது மூணு elements தான். So range அப்படிங்கிறது it is equal to 1, 0, minus 1. And certainly it is not equal to codomain. Range is not equal to codomain அப்படினா, the function is not onto. So the given function, signal function, is neither one to one nor onto. So இத நம்ம ப்ரூவ் பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Prove that the signal function is neither one to one nor onto அப்படிங்கிறது தான் question is asked. So we have to prove it like this. By arrow diagram, you can show that it is many to one and it is not onto. By the definition which is given in your textbook, we can also prove that the given function is not one to one by using this, and it is not onto by using range is not equal to codomain.